Hello, everyone. And today we're going to start our journey into leadership. Of course, leadership has never, ever been done in a day. It's always done daily. Of course, I learned that from my mentor, John Maxwell. Hello, my name is Dell, and today I'd like to share with you a daily, practical way to develop your leadership skills. The only things needed are 1, a desire, 2, the knowledge, 3, the commitment, the consistency, and of course, courage, because I'm going to be asking you to do some things today that is going to require some courage. I don't know if you know this or not, but I love using acronyms, and today's acronym we're going to be using is R.A.V.E.E.E, R.A.V.E.E.E. Of course, the R stands for respect, A, appreciate, V, value, E, everyone, the other E's for everywhere, and the last E's every day. No matter where I go, no matter what type of business I walk into, or just to meet people, I always practice this, because the more you practice it, after a while, you don't even have to think about it. It just becomes natural for you. So today, R for respect. Of course, becoming a leader, you need to understand, is not being a dictator or relying on intimidation to get people to do what you want them to do. Of course, Napoleon Bonaparte and Adolf Hitler, both of those guys were dictators, and you could see what it got them. Well, actually, you could see what it didn't get them, all right? Of course, the best leaders rely on respect. However, there are other characteristics needed to become a great leader. However, today we're just going to be focusing on respect. Of course, when a leader shows respect for others, especially people who have less power, or they've got a lower position than theirs, they gain respect from others. Why is gaining respect so important, Del? Well, when you respect others, they respect you. They admire you, they love you, they want to follow you, and they want to do the things you want them to do. Now, I remember one of my first jobs. It wasn't in one of the best neighborhoods in the world. However, I respected every single person, and because of that respect, they respected me also. Of course, the opposite is also true. When you don't respect other people, they will not admire you, they will not love you, they will not want to do the things that you want them to do, and they will not want to follow you. They will do the least to get by and not give you the best. Or should I say, the production or the quality work will be of a very low standard. Instead of taking pride in what they do, they're not going to want to do it. And the reason for this is everything rises and falls on leadership. Now, what are some of the other benefits of leaders, or respecting people who become a better leader? A respected leader asks for change or commitment, and everybody's willing to do it. I have a question for you. What changes or process that you know would make your business better, and yet nobody that is supposed to be following you are, they're just not doing it? Of course, how many times do you have to tell someone to do something to get them to do it? That's another question. If it's more than once, it's on leadership or the lack of leadership. Remember, what you complain about is what you allowed or you tolerate. But if you're not respecting others, and there is no respect from them respecting you, when you ask for change or commitment, people doubt, they question, they make excuses, or they simply walk away. They shut down. It is extremely difficult, if not impossible, for a leader who hasn't earned respect to get other people to follow them. Now, you have to have the courage to respect others first. If you want respect, you must give respect. Now, Del, why the courage? Because when you start making the changes that you know you need to make, they're going to be talking about you. Oh yeah, he'll do this for a while, or she'll do this for a while, but you know what, she'll go back to her old ways. So you're going to have courage. Remember, if you're a leader, then lead by respecting others first. And if you have the courage to respect them and keep your ship steady, no matter what you may see or hear or even how you feel, if you just stay the course, eventually they will start respecting you and your leadership will start growing. Now, things to remember. Number one, being a dictator or an intimidator is not being a leader. Number two, give respect, gain respect, no matter who or what that person, whatever level or position they might be in. Three, when you respect others, they will admire you, they will love you, they will want to do the things you want them to do, and they'll want to follow you. Number four, respect is one of the keys to becoming more successful both in business and in life. Number five, what you complain about, it's what you allowed or you tolerated. Number six, leadership is never done in a day, it is done daily. R.A.V.E.E.E, respect, appreciate, value everyone, every day, everywhere. Now, for those who might want to consider learning more about leadership to grow their team and business, text me at 559-259-2932. That's 559-259-2932. Well, Del, why should we text you? It's because I get a million spam calls a day, and I want to make sure that if it's important to you, it's going to be important to me, and I promise I will get back to you. Of course, my mentor John Maxwell has been quoted saying, everything rises and falls on leadership. Today I want to ask you to start respecting others, and your leadership and your relationships and your business will start rising. My name is Del, and I'll see you soon, above and never beneath.